Hello friends, this is Adithya and you're watching Electric Vehicles India. Friends, welcome to EV News. In this video, let's discuss some of the latest updates and interesting news from our EV industry. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Friends, first news is from Tata. Tata announced a price hike on their cars from February 1st. Tata didn't reveal the exact model to price hike ratio, but overall on all Tata electric cars, they are going to increase 0.7% of the prices. Previously, in May 2023, they hiked 0.6% of their all car prices. So similarly, now they are hiking 0.7% of their prices. The main reason for this price hike is the high input cost. So to decrease their input cost, they are hiking the prices of these cars. So including the diesel, petrol, electric, all the Tata car models will receive a 0.7% of price hike from February 1st. Even though the prices are a bit high on Tata electric cars, but the demand is not low. Even though the prices are hiking on Tata electric cars, the demand is not decreasing. Every month Tata is selling good number of cars, and coming to electric segment, they are in the top position. So what's your opinion on Tata electric cars? Please let me know in the comments. Friends, next news is also from Tata. The deliveries of Tata Punch EV has begun. I already made a walk-around review on this Tata Punch EV. If you missed that video, the link will be in the description. Please go ahead and watch after this video. So basically, the Tata Punch EV ex-showroom cost starts from 10.99 lakh rupees and goes up to 14.49 lakh rupees. As Tata is revising all the prices, the Tata Punch EV prices is also going to increase. So those who are planning to buy Tata electric cars or Tata cars, please book it in the January itself, because from Feb you have to pay more money. Friends, next news is from Ather. Ather recently launched Ather 450 Apex electric scooter in India, and the next upcoming electric scooter from Ather is going to be a family-oriented scooter. Already the spy shots of testing this family-oriented electric scooter has revealed in the internet, and we can expect this electric scooter in upcoming 6 months. So Ather CEO Mr. Tarun Mehta has revealed the name of this electric scooter. Previously, there were rumors on this electric scooter that the name of this electric scooter is going to be Diesel. But Mr. Tarun Mehta has clarified that Diesel is the project name of this electric scooter, and the actual name of this family electric scooter is going to be Rizta, R-I-Z-T-A. So the upcoming family electric scooter from Ather will be named as Ather Rizta. Friends, next news is also from Ather. In a recent interview, Ather CEO Mr. Tarun Mehta has expressed some concerns on withdrawing FAME 2 subsidy. Basically, this FAME 2 subsidy will end on this March 31st, 2024. With a budget of 10,000 crores, central government has implemented this FAME 2 subsidy as to encourage the electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles in India. But on this March 31st, 2024, this FAME 2 subsidy will end. So as per Mr. Tarun Mehta, if the FAME 2 subsidy ends, the EV penetration in India will slow down and the EV market will be decreased. So he expressed concerns to introduce the FAME 3 subsidy or extend this FAME 2 subsidy until the EV industry in India comes to a stable position. As per central government targets, by 2030, 30% of the EV penetration should happen in India. The current EV penetration in India is close to 6%. So the target is 30% by 2030. So to achieve that target, there should be FAME subsidy from central government in India, because the electric vehicles in India currently is solely depend on FAME subsidies. So what's your opinion on this FAME subsidy? Should central government extend the FAME subsidy or not? Please let me know in the comments. Friends, next news is from OLA. Finally, OLA has launched Move OS 4.0 update. Till now, many OLA users has been using this Move OS 4.0 in beta. Now the stable version has been rolling out. So to install this Move OS 4.0, you should update your OLA electric app, and you should connect the same Wi-Fi to your mobile phone as well as to your electric scooter. And you should turn on auto update option in your mobile application. So you will receive the update when you install it in your mobile phone. The scooter will automatically update. So this is the process to install Move OS 4.0 update in your OLA electric scooter. So OLA has introduced 100 plus features in this Move OS 4.0 update. I already made a dedicated video on it. The link will be in the description. If you are interested, please go ahead and watch after this video. And how many of you received this Move OS 4.0 update? Please let me know in the comments. Friends, next news is from Ampere. Currently, we have Ampere Magnus and Ampere Primus electric scooter from Ampere in India. And soon, Ampere is going to launch a new electric scooter that might called NXG or NEX. So, this electric scooter is going to come with a touchscreen display, mid-mount motor and a LFP portable battery pack. Specifications and looks-wise, this electric scooter is looking stunning and promising. I can say that it can compete with the market leaders OLA, Ather and TVS by looking at its looks and specifications. Ampere has covered this electric scooter with camouflage and started Kashmir to Kanyakumari ride. So this ride is going to be 45 plus days and this scooter is going to cover 5,100 plus kilometers. So I think after completion of this K2K ride, they are going to completely unveil this electric scooter in India. So I'm looking for this exciting electric scooter from Ampere. So what's your opinion? Please let me know in the comments. Friends, next news is from Revolt. Revolt has launched a new variant in their RV400 lineup called Revolt RV400BRZ. They just removed the keyless entry and some connectivity features from their RV400 and they launched this new variant as a base variant called BRZ. So the ex-showroom cost of this Revolt RV400BRZ is 1.38 lakh rupees and this is the introductory price, and the currently existing RV400 ex-showroom cost is 1.48 lakh rupees. So if you compromise on keyless entry and some connectivity features, you can save 10,000 rupees on this RV400 electric bike. Specifications wise, it comes with the same 3.24 kilowatt hour portable battery pack which can provide you 150 kilometers of range and can go up to 85 kmph of top speed. So how many of you using Revolt RV400 electric bike and how it's performing? Please let me know in the comments. Friends, next news is from River Indy. This River Indy electric scooter launched in Indian market at an ex-showroom cost of 1.25 lakh rupees. This is the introductory price and this price has been announced before revision of FAME to subsidy. The first batch of this River Indy electric scooter has already completed and now company is accepting second batch of bookings and they have revised the pricing. Previously, it has launched at 1.25 lakh ex-showroom. Now the company has started second batch of pre-bookings and they revised the pricing too. Now the ex-showroom cost of this River Indy electric scooter is 1.38 lakh rupees. They have increased 13,000 rupees on this River Indy electric scooter. But if you look at the specifications, it's absolutely worth that price. This scooter comes with a 6.7 kilowatt peak powered motor which can go up to a top speed of 90 km per hour. With the help of a 4 kilowatt hour battery, this scooter can give us 120 kilometers of range. And build quality wise, it's bulky, rugged and attractive too. You can pre-book this River Indy electric scooter by visiting their official website and by paying 2,500 rupees. Friends, last news is from Bounce Infinity. Bounce Infinity has partnered with Sun Mobility to deploy 30,000 electric scooter. The first round of this deployment will be in Bangalore and Hyderabad cities and soon they are going to expand this to other major cities in India. So basically this Sun Mobility is a company which provides a battery swapping facility to their customers. So currently Sun Mobility has 600 plus swapping stations in 19 cities in India. So basically they provide swappable batteries to electric autos and some electric two-wheelers. And now as Bounce Infinity has partnered with this Sun Mobility, they are going to deploy swappable battery packs of Bounce Infinity electric scooters also. I think these 30,000 electric scooters will be helpful to Swiggy, Zomato and delivery boys. So they can swap their electric scooter batteries whenever the charging finishes in their electric scooter. So this is going to help delivery boys a lot. And soon I think Bounce Infinity is going to roll out their electric scooters without battery pack so that their customers can take the rental facility of their battery packs from this Sun Mobility. So friends, as you saw, these are some of the latest updates and news from our EV industry for this week. If you found the video informative, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe Electric Vehicles India. Go green, go electric.